When it comes to transferring content from Google Docs to WordPress, it can be frustrating. You might run into all kinds of formatting issues like inconsistent spacing, absence of paragraph breaks, and in worst case scenario, missing images and information. Well, what if I told you that you can now stop wasting hours copying, pasting, and reformatting the same content? Yes, it is possible with Docs to Site. Docs to Site is a tool that you can use to easily migrate your content from Google Docs to WordPress with just a single click. Here's how it works. First of all, you have to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Then you have to install and activate the plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. From the search bar, type in Docs to Site. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate. After you have installed and activated the plugin, it will be displayed here. Click on it. Copy the authentication token. Now you have to sign in to your Docs to Site account. Click on Sign in with Google. Click on Let's get started. Add in your website URL. Then add in your website name. Click on Next Step. Since we have already installed the Docs to Site plugin on our website, we are going to skip this portion and click on Next Step. We will paste the authentication code that we had copied earlier. Click on Next Step. You can either click on Connect with your Google Drive folder, or you can simply skip this step and add folder from the Google Drive later on. Let's skip this step for now. Click on Next Step. Click on Submit. Click here to add folders. Select your Google account. You have to authenticate your Google account and click on Continue. Now you can select the folder. Click on Select. To export the Google Doc file from your folder, click on the folder. Then select the Google Doc that you want to export. Before we export our Google Doc, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Then we will go to All Posts. Currently, the content that we want to add has not been added to our posts. Let's go back. Now we will export our content here. Click on the Export button. Make your selection whether you want to export it as post or a page. I'm going to select post. You can also select author category and select the editor type. I'm going to select Gutenberg editor. Click on Export. And the document has been exported successfully to our website. Let's go back to our posts. Give our tab a refresh. And here is the doc that we just exported. Now you can go ahead and edit the document to fine-tune your content. You have the option to edit with Block Editor or edit with Classic Editor. Let's edit with Block Editor. Now you can make a few adjustments, like setting up the categories, adding the featured image, and after a few final touches, you are good to go. Click on Publish. And let's take a look at our post. It's as easy as that. You can easily export your content into WordPress in seconds with all formatting intact. Save around 1 to 1.5 hours per article, reach goals fast, and see results more quickly. Hurry up and get your Docs to Site plugin now. You can try it for absolutely free. Save time, save money, earn more with Docs to Site.